Just hold on for a bit. In fact, I want to bring in now part 2 of Sushant's call records that your channel has gained access to. And these are call data records between June 8th and 14th. Before this, we were talking about the call records between January 20th and 25th. And now these are the June month call records. Pranesh has more details on this. Pranesh, over to you.
Right, Preeti. We told you about the CDR records from January. Now look at what we found. These are Sushant Singh Rajput's call records from the month of June. He died on 14th June and we have details from the 8th of June till the 14th of June. Let's go step by step. Now this is also the time that Sushant was upset. At least many people believe that, because Disha Salian had died. Disha died on the 9th of June, if I am not wrong with the date. Preeti, correct me if I am wrong. Look at the details here. This is, like I said, the person making the call, the person receiving the call. This was Sushant. This was, let me mark this so that our viewers get a sense. This was Sushant and he called this number. Now, I am not going to tell you whose number this is, but after perusing the call detail records of June, at least from the 8th of June to the 14th of June, not one call exchanged between Sushant and Riya. Riya did not reach out to Sushant even once, not even a message. The details also, it also accounts for the messages exchanged, like you can see here. This was an SMS, this was an SMS. None between Riya Chakrabarti and Sushant Singh Rajput. So if Riya Chakrabarti claims that she was Sushant Singh Rajput, and when Sushant was upset, distraught after Disha's passing away, why was Riya Chakrabarti not in touch? Not in touch from 8th to the 14th. And let's go back to the next page. And I'll tell you what this shows. Look at the date here, Preeti. This is the 13th of June and this is the 14th of June, the day Sushant Singh Rajput died. Now this is a message from the service provider. This message here is the message on the 14th of June at 7:30 from the service provider. This is the call from a person that we've spoken to, and we'll play out that conversation also in a bit, to Sushant Singh Rajput. This happened at around 2:22. This lasted 368 seconds. 368 seconds the call lasted. But from the 8th to the 14th, we have the records here with us on Times Now. Not one call exchanged or a message exchange between Riya Chakrabarti and Sushant Singh Rajput.
And Disha Salian, her death was reported on June 8th. From June 8th to June 14th, no communication between Riya and Sushant. Vivek, how would you put this in context?
Well, this is the most crucial piece of evidence or factoid which is coming out right now. Why? Because this is a period in life of Sushant Singh Rajput when he was under extreme pressure. This was the time when his partner was not with him. This was the time when he had heard of Disha Salian's death. We don't know what was the cause of Disha Salian's death, but we do know that there was pressure. He was extremely worried about what had happened to Disha. At that point, he was all alone, as his partners, those who were living in the flat with him, were telling us all through that he was under extreme duress at that point. The question now is, a person who's always been with him, spoken with him, who was not there in the house during those days. Why is it that Disha did not make why is it that Riya did not make a single call in those crucial 6 days? Out of this 6 days, 5 days are extremely important, between 9th of June and 14th when he finally died. At that point, why is it that he was left alone by his partner? Why no full conversations happening? This is all indicative of what parents are telling us from day one. What his mother, what his father, what his 4 sisters have been telling us from day one, that he was under extreme pressure which was put on him, thrust on him by Riya, because as we showed in the call data records of between 20th and 23rd of January, when he was with his family at that point. She had made multiple calls, at least 20 missed calls in a period of 2 days, and he had returned those calls and he was asked to come. Point number one. Point number two, call data records. Set number two that Pranesh was just showing us. What did it prove? It proves that he was all alone at a crucial point, and there was such pressure on
Right.
this person that he could not bear.
This is shocking. I mean, if someone claims to be your partner, even if perhaps he or she was not present at home at that time, a shocking incident has happened. Sushant's, former secretary had, in fact, manager had passed away in a tragic incident. We don't know yet whether that was also a suicide or not. But Ria doesn't make a single attempt to get connected with him, either through SMS or through calls.